Hey guys, what's up? We're back here with another how-to video with our friends from Centurion Magnetics. Again, big thank you to them for letting us try their products, letting us use their products. They're a great brand. We definitely recommend them again. But today, for our how-to video, we're going to be showing you guys how to tie a Palomar knot from your rope onto your magnet so you don't lose it. The Palomar knot is really the most common knot for these. It's the best one to use so they don't come untied, doesn't come loose, you don't lose your magnet. So Travis is going to show you how to tie it, and I'm going to watch.
Make me do everything, I swear. Alright, so yeah, like Jordan says, we're going to be doing the Palomar knot. We're going to tie it onto your carabiner, which hooks onto your magnet. Now there are two ways to do it. Of course, we use the carabiners on our magnets before we can switch them in and out pretty quickly. But you can actually just take the rope and tie it directly to your magnet as well. For today's video, I'm going to be tying it to the carabiner. The cool thing about the carabiner that Centurion Magnetics includes in their kit is that it's actually very unmagnetic. So it's actually aluminum. It does have a little bit of pull to it, but it's extremely weak. Like it's.
Yeah. If you have normal carabiners that are actually completely magnetic, then a lot of times it's gonna twist your magnet when you're trying to throw it and pull. You're gonna be pulling things in sideways, and sometimes that can be a hassle. So it's better to have the aluminum ones that aren't just in the way all the time.
Yeah, some of our other kits that we got, the carabiners are terrible. Like they magnetize to it so bad that it pulls it sideways and it makes it useless. So kudos to Centurion by including that aluminum carabiner. That was awesome. So. Alright, let's tie that on. Alright guys, so if you're familiar with fishing at all, just general fishing, you probably know a little bit about the Palomar knot. But the Palomar knot is super handy in even this kind of case. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a double loop here, as you can see. And give yourself plenty of space to work with. Losing a little extra rope is not a huge deal. Alright guys, so run that loop through here. Come back, and then you're going to tie this loop like this, and then bring that loop down over that carabiner, pull up, and then pull down. Cool. So once you do that, your Palomar knot has been tied to the carabiner. So not too hard, not too difficult, right? So once you're done with that, you're going to want to actually come through and tape up the ends. Alright, so you're going to take your electrical tape, take your excess end here, and then I like to start down from the knot itself. So let's go ahead and wrap that around. And come around, just start wrapping extremely tight. And just come up through there and do that. Just come through here and just wrap that as tight as you can. So once you've reached the end of your excess rope, go ahead and go up just a little bit further, just right above that, to give it, just a little extra there. Let's go ahead and break that off. And there we go. Alright guys, so you got your Palomar knot tied. We ran that electrical tape up through there to really give that some extra support. And your rope is ready to roll at that point. And like I said, you can actually tie this directly onto the carabiner, or you can tie it to the magnet itself. Now of course, I think this goes without saying, but of course when you want to hook that carabiner up, put it in there, make sure you lock that carabiner. That is super important. So, and that's one of those things that you should check every time, or every 3 to 4 times when you pull your magnet in. So there you go, we got that all hooked up. That magnet is ready to go be thrown out and pull in some awesome stuff.
Alright guys, so Travis showed you guys how to tie that Palomar knot and how to get the tape on there. As we said, you can attach it to the carabiner or the magnet. But again, we hope you guys like this how-to video. again, huge shout out to Centurion Magnetics, you know, hooking us up with this kit. So we love working with them. They're a great company, and we highly recommend their products. The starter kit is really great if you want to get into magnet fishing. So again, check that out. The link will be in the description of this video. Drop some likes, drop some comments, any how-to videos you guys want to see in the future, any questions you have about the magnets or anything. I'm not magnetic. The real heart.
That's unfortunate.
Anyways, make sure to subscribe and follow us along for more videos. Until next time, guys, keep it real.